this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Gemini wallet address. If you're planning to send crypto to Gemini, then you will need your wallet address, and it's critical to pick the correct wallet address because if you make a mistake, then you will risk losing your funds. As always, nothing in this video is financial advice, and I accept no liability for you losing or sending your crypto to the wrong address. And if in doubt, send a small amount of crypto first. If you don't know what a wallet address is, then it's a string of characters used to send and receive crypto. Each address is unique and varies by cryptocurrency, and will also vary if you pick a different network for sending your funds on. For example, if you send Ethereum to a Bitcoin address, then you will risk losing your funds. So you must always pick the correct wallet address for your deposit. So if you want to know how to find your wallet address on Gemini, you will need to log in, then click on transfer in the top right, then you want to click on receive crypto, then you want to select the crypto you plan to deposit. You can scroll down the list or type into the search box. I'm going to pick Tether, or what's also called USDT. Cryptocurrencies can normally be sent and received on multiple networks, but every crypto I clicked on the Gemini website looked like it could only be received on one network. So when you select your crypto, it will say which network you must send your crypto on. So in this case for USDT, it's saying I must deposit via the Ethereum network. If you select the wrong network when sending your crypto, then you risk losing your funds. Once you understand that depositing assets on the wrong network may lead to lost funds, you can press I understand, and now you will see the wallet address for this specific crypto and network. If you change cryptos, for example, if I change to Bitcoin, you will see a different QR code and wallet address. To copy your address, you can press the button to the right of the address that looks like two sheets of paper. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code above this with a mobile device. If you're transferring crypto for the first time, then it's always recommended to send a small test amount of crypto first, and it's always worth copying the address or using the QR code rather than typing it manually. Anyway, if you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're just getting started with crypto, you may be wondering what's the difference between a coin and a token, so I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.